It's polling question time again. What types of properties would you fly for your real estate business? Would it be commercial properties, industrial, residential, or agricultural properties? On this one, select all that would apply.
Now I realize that you're not getting a polling question that you can actually answer, but this is part of the webinar series, the what do you think questions that Uda asked. And what do you think? Do you think that you could use aerial inspections for commercial properties, industrial, residential, agricultural? Well, for me, I can use them for all of
them. And also, a little pointer here, I don't wear a headset that covers both ears when I'm flying because I fly in a lot of urban environments. I like to have one ear open because there might be helicopters. And I can tell you this, I'll hear the rotor blades of a helicopter way sooner than I'll see a helicopter in most urban environments.
Yeah?
Going to waypoint.
Class A airspace begins at 18,000 feet mean sea level. This far exceeds the 400-foot operational rules for flying your drone. This is where the commercial jets venture. You are definitely not allowed to fly this high.
Here we have 3 different sizes of display screens that you can use with your Mavic Pro. We're going to set them up with controllers and see what they look like. Here we have a typical setup for the Mavic Pro. I've got the controller and I'm using an iPhone as my display. Here's another type of setup that you can use. I've got an iPad set up and I'm using the controller. As you can see, it doesn't really look very stable here. Here's the larger display screen that I've got supported using a Mavic Stent. The Stent allows me the ability to put the screen size out and be able to functionally use the controllers. Got the screen attached by an Anker cable. Okay.
I'm going to try it different this way. I'm going to pull back and I'll give you the thumbs up. Ready?
Hang on one second. So how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to put together a demo reel. And what is a demo reel? It's showtime. It helps us to provide more. We've got to think outside the box. It showcases your skills, your knowledge, your ability, the equipment you have, your data retrieval systems, your production quality, your delivery of the material. Now, production, it's a big thing. That's where your demo reel can showcase you above the competition. Because just don't think that taking a drone up there and shooting a few pictures is actually where it is. You're going to have to take those pictures and post-produce those into something that's viable and usable. So showcase your best work. Because when you're getting started, you're not going to have that much work there. So try flying for your family, your friends, even fly for free. You're going to be putting that demo reel together, so recognize opportunities and be ready. I actually take my drone with me in the car whenever I'm going out, because you never know when you might run into an opportunity out there of something that's unique that you can film and might look good in a demo reel, or might be able to be used as what we call B-reel in the industry for something. Hey, it's Lamar. Thanks for watching another Drone Education Services production. Subscribe now and don't miss out on any of our new videos.
And like and share us on social media. And be sure to register your drone at FAAdronezone.faa.gov.
And get even more content at droneeducationservices.com. And as always, fly safe, fly often, and have fun.